In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset TikTok feed. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And if TikTok showing you in its feed videos that you don't like, there are some different tricks how you can change this situation. And the first and 100% working way is to create new TikTok account. If you create new account, you start forming your suggested videos in the feed right now from the scratch. But if you don't want to remove your account or if you don't want to create new one, there are also some simple tricks that may help you to change your TikTok feed, so actually to reset it. The first thing you may try is to tap right here at profile icon, then tap here at heart icon, and it shows you up some videos that you liked before, and then if you don't want to see any type of this content anymore, let's say I don't want to see that type of content like kitchen advices or cooking recipes, all I have to do is to unlike that type of content, and it informs TikTok that I don't like such type of content anymore. The next thing that I may try is to hit right here at menu icon, then tap on settings and privacy, then scroll down and here find clear cache. I have to clear cache for my app, so I'll just tap on clear cache to do it, and it clears cache for a TikTok app, so it removes some data about my previous watched videos. The next thing I may try is to search for some specific content. Let's say I want to see more specific content in my TikTok feed, so I'll just go into discover and here tap on search, and then I'll just search for a specific content. Let's say I want to see more cars videos in my feed, so I'll search for cars, and then it shows me different cars videos. I can tap on that, then I can watch that type of content, and also here I can like this video to inform TikTok service that I like that type of content. And the more that videos I watch and the more I like them, the more that type of content I will see later in my TikTok feed. That's all about how to reset your TikTok feed. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.